Today, I'm going to show you how to film hands-free POV videos with your phone using this device that we're going to unpack together. Hello everyone, I'm Christoforova. Today we are covering something that is new for me and quite frankly, a very practical tool for any content creator or business owner looking to enhance their digital presence and add variety to the way they film their content. This is Telesin Magnetic Neck Mount, which will allow you to record POV hands-free. And of course, I will include the link in the description below. Now, I'm relatively new to POV filming with a neck mount, but I'm always on the lookout for tools that allow you to record your content in a way that will be more interesting for your viewers. So I think that is a fantastic tool, and I'm so excited to introduce it to you if you are not familiar with it, if you haven't considered it, or maybe you even haven't realized that it exists. So regardless if you are a YouTuber, social media creator, or a business owner who wants to record behind the scenes of your business, maybe how you create your products, this is such a great tool. Let's look at what we get inside the box. We have the neck mount itself. I can immediately tell you that it is designed for comfort. It is very comfortable with a soft silicone exterior and a flexible frame, and you can bend it in the way you want to make it comfortable for you. And you click on this button, and that should dislocate it. Yes, it dislocated it from this side. And that is how you put it on your neck. And when you put it back, it clicks, and that's how you know it is securely attached. We also have a magnetic ring adapter for non-MagSafe phones and a microfiber to wipe things clean, and of course the manual to actually use it. And this magnetic ring adapter allows anyone, even without a MagSafe phone, to take advantage of the magnetic hold. It's a thoughtful addition showing they have designed it, taking into account that some people will not have phones that will have MagSafe. Now, I still would not run with it. I don't think it is safe. I think you can still drop the phone. And it does come with this little thing to secure your phone. This mount is built for flexibility. We have 3 adjustable joints to allow for multiple angles. You can record it angled straight, pointing down, pointing up. And this flexibility is key if you want to capture everything from a workplace tutorial to a close-up of unboxing, for example. It's designed for ease, yet sturdy enough to hold it in a position securely. Again, you would not want to run with it. I don't think so. But as long as you are stationary or you are moving slowly, I think you are relatively safe. I felt completely safe standing now with my phone attached to it, and I did not have any concern that my phone will fall. However, it's a magnet, so it can fall, the same as this microphone can fall. So you have to be careful and use your judgment how much you can move to still protect your equipment. Now, here's one of my favorite features. It's a magnetic connection. It's reassuringly strong. You see? And you can feel it is securely connected to it as long as you don't do anything crazy with it. There's not really any concern that it will fall. And I think it is ideal for anyone needing to capture hands-free footage, but also actively engaging in what you are doing. So your hands are free, but you can capture what you want to capture. I think if you're a business owner creating behind-the-scenes content, or a painter wanting to showcase your work while you're painting, or even documenting hands-on process, you can very easily capture all the action you want without the need of extra hands or bulky equipment. Now let's take a look at the POV perspective it offers. Here you can see it captures my hands in action, an immersive view that is engaging for the audience and for creators who want their viewers to feel fully involved in the process. This mount brings them right into the moment. However, a quick tip, if you are moving a lot, say working at a fast pace, you might notice some shaking. This mount is better suited for activities where you are relatively stationary or moving gently. It is not meant for high energy activities like running. But for things like tutorials or light movement, it's a great tool to have in your kit. This mount is actually very versatile. Imagine this. You are an entrepreneur on a site visit and want to capture some quick point of view footage of the process without having to ask anyone for help, or you're a content creator recording tutorials or showcasing a product. The mount's flexibility lets you position it in various ways and to get the footage without having to ask anyone. And it doesn't have to stay around your neck. You can bend it to use as a mini tripod or even as a small stand for conference calls or virtual meetings. It's adaptable in a way that many mounts simply aren't. You can even use it, maybe you're on a train and you want to watch something, or you're on an airplane and you want to watch something, hands-free, you can use it for that as well. Let's talk about some practical pros and a few considerations. So some of the pros will be quick, easy setup, ideal for busy business owners, content creators, strong magnetic hold giving you confidence while filming, you're not worried your phone will break, flexible design allowing you for both neck mounting and tabletop use, and cons, not suitable for intense movement. So think light, steady activities, limited angle adjustment options may require some getting used to, and for optimal performance, I would recommend a phone with good stabilization if you plan to move around more than very little. In summary, the Telesin Magnetic Neck Mount is an excellent addition for anyone who wants to capture hands-free POV footage effortlessly. It's priced around $30, so very, very, very good deal for what they offer. And I think that it is just must-have for anyone who is creating content, whether you are recording behind the scenes of how product is made or you are creating content for your YouTube channel. I think this is such a affordable and very useful tool to have. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights and tools that can help you elevate your business, build your business. And if you've used or are considering using a neck mount, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments on how you plan to use it, how you think it can be used in the best possible way. What are your thoughts? If you know of a better neck mount that I can consider, I will appreciate your thoughts. And for the next video, I recommend you check a recent video I did on how YouTube algorithms have changed and things you need to know and new things you can do and how you can take advantage of that knowledge to grow your channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.